Do you want to be able to fix any Instagram bug? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be to, of course, come to our Instagram app. And now when you're on your Instagram app and you do have some kind of bug on the app, well, don't worry, because what you need to do first is to come to your profile right here, as you can see. Now what we're going to do after that is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, because then you should be taken here, as you can see. What we're going to do in here is to click where it says settings. So click on settings in here, because then you're taken here, as you can see. Perfect. In here, we're going to scroll down and click on help. So click on help and now click on report a problem. And then once again, click on report a problem. So actually, I'm going to click on include and continue in here to be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So basically what you need to do to be able to fix that specific bug is firstly, of course, explain to Instagram what kind of bug that is. So it can be whatever, right? For example, you don't have Instagram notes, or you don't have like reels on your Instagram or something like that. Explain it in here. And also I would recommend you to actually click where it says upload, as you can see. Like it is in the bottom right corner, it says upload. Click there and give them any kind of photo that will explain the bug even further to them. And when you're done writing and explaining basically, then click on send in the top right corner. And after that, it should take about 3 to 5 business days for them to actually see your message. And hopefully after they have seen it, then the specific bug will be fixed for you. What you can also try is to actually go into the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play if you have an Android phone, and just search for Instagram in there and see if you actually do have like an update button on the app. Because if you do have an update button, then click on update and make sure that you have the latest Instagram version, because that can also fix this bug, just so you know, or like any bug basically. So yeah, this is exactly how you can actually do this. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.